Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to unpair your headphones Baseus Bowie H1 from your iPhone. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your headphones. And right here at the last line we have a button what called Forget this device. You need to tap at this button. But if you want to only stop Bluetooth connection with your headphones, but leave it at the device list, you need to select Disconnect, and then you can reconnect it automatically then in the future. And now let's totally remove it. So forget this device and forget device. After that we can turn off these headphones by press and hold the multifunctional button at your right ear cup, located between volume control buttons. So press and hold and we can check the LED light. We have the red one, so we just turn off it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.